Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can make a photo collage in InShot app. Let's get started. Open your InShot app on your phone. Then if you want to make a photo collage, you can click on this collage option and choose the photo that you want to make it as a collage, and you can choose maximum 9 photos. And I'll just go with this one, and this one, and also this one. And after that, we can click on this check mark. Alright, and then choose the layout or the format that we like. And there will be several options for you. And I'll just go with this format. Just click on the format that you like, and don't forget to click on this check mark. Alright, and you can also put filter or maybe effect to your photo collage, and you can also put a sticker, and you can also add frame right here, and you can choose the frame that you like. It's up to you. Alright, and you can also choose the border of your collage. Just click on the border like this, and you can customize it as you like. And don't forget to click on the check mark after you finish customizing your collage. And we can also change the background by clicking on the background option right here, and choose the color of your background. And you can also choose pattern or texture. It's up to you. And alright guys, that's how we can make photo collage in InShot. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.